Sunlight streams through the dense canopy as Zayan wanders through the woods, his sketchbook tucked securely under his arm. He stops by a large oak tree, a glint of light catching his eye. He kneels, picking up a pencil that shines with an otherworldly light. He sees an inscription on the pencil: "Draw to life." In the quiet of his room, Zayan holds a simple pencil, ready to unlock the extraordinary. With a few strokes, a bird soars to life, defying the boundaries of paper and dreams. He watches in amazement as the bird leaps from the page, fluttering freely around the room. His grin widens as a bicycle rolls across the floor, an impossible creation now vividly real. A cat materializes, jumps onto his lap, and purrs, filling the room with warmth and wonder. Intoxicated by power, Zayan sketches a dragon on the ground. The dragon roars to life, ascending into the sky and sowing terror among the villagers. Villagers scream and scatter as the dragon overturns stalls and frightens animals. Zayan watches in horror, realizing the magnitude of his mistake. Zayan swiftly unfurls a massive net, ensnaring the dragon mid-flight. With care, Zayan guides the dragon back towards his paper. The villagers watch, awe and relief etched on their faces. The dragon vanishes from the sky. Zayan draws food, toys, and rain, his pencil a source of hope for the village. Villagers watch with faces of relief and joy. Zayan understands the power he holds, a profound realization appearing in his eyes. Zayan smiles, knowing he made a difference.